You only need 6 chords to play the Beatles' Can't Buy Me Love. These 6 chords and the lyrics are going to be shown right here on the screen. Join me for a play-along jam, and after we finish playing the tune, I'm going to share with you 3 awesome strumming tricks that will improve your down and up strumming right away. This is the monthly Beatles ukulele lesson. Leave a comment down below and let me know what song you want to do next. You can get a printable version of this song sheet and a bonus lesson that will teach you the entire 12-bar blues solo. Check the links down below. Thanks for joining me. Let's jam. Let's lock in the tempo now. 152 beats a minute. First note we sing is ah. A 1, 2, a 3. Can't buy me love. Love can't buy me love. I'll buy you a diamond ring, my friend, if it makes you feel alright. Give you anything, my friend, if it makes you feel alright. 'Cause I don't care too much for money. Money can't buy me love. I'll give you all I got to give if you say you love me too. I may not have a lot to give, but what I got I'll give to you. 'Cause I don't care too much for money. Money can't buy me love. Can't buy me love. Everybody tell me so. Can't buy me love. No, 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 no. Say you don't need no diamond rings and I'll be satisfied. Tell me that you want the kind of thing that money just can't buy. 'Cause I don't care too much for money. Money can't buy me love. Oh, can't buy me love. Everybody tells me so. Can't buy me love. No, 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 no. Say you don't need no diamond ring and I'll be satisfied. Tell me that you want the kind of things that money just can't buy. 'Cause I don't care too much for money. Money can't buy me love. Can't buy me love. Love can't buy me love. Thanks so much for jamming with me. I have a cold, so I am singing it down an octave. I hope you are doing well and having fun playing your ukulele. I want to share with you 3 cool embellishments, 3 things you can use to decorate the basic backbeat strum. If you're enjoying this so far, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to this channel, Ukulele Zen, for more content like this. Now, the basic backbeat shuffle strum, we can practice it on a C7 chord. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really taking care to accent beats 2 and 4. Give it that drive. You can also play your pattern of down, down, up, down, up, but still accenting 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up. 3 things I like to embellish with. One is to use a triplet. Now, a triplet strum would be down with the index finger, and then my thumb comes behind, and then up with the index. This is a nice pattern. It's basically going down and up, putting the thumb in between. The trick to doing a nice triplet is feeling the motion in the wrist. So first I point my finger out. Notice my wrist hasn't moved yet. All right, then when my thumb moves, it's twisting the wrist, and then up with the index, twisting the wrist. So point, twist, twist, point, twist, twist. Take some time getting friendly with your triplet. And then you're going to find it's a pretty nice thing to drop into the strum. I'll buy you a diamond ring, my friend, makes you feel alright. Right? All kinds of places you can drop the triplet in. You can click right up here and watch another tutorial for triplet strums. There are so many cool ways they can be used. The second embellishment I want to share with you is a little tricky, but it's worth hanging out with. It's this sound of a muted chord. All right, so I was using this on the F7 chord to create some contrast. I'm going to break it down for you, but first let me play it at tempo. I'll buy you a diamond ring, my friend, if it make you feel alright. Get you anything, my friend, if it makes you feel alright. See how it creates some nice contrast, two different sounds in your strum. The way you do this is to hold down the chord in such a way where you're lifting up and muting often. Let's practice this on the F7 chord. Hold down your F7 chord and make sure that the top string is being muted. So I just let a little bit of that index finger touch that top string and then shut the sound off. Now, there are lots of different ways that this strum can be used. Here is one way where I squeeze and it's ringing on the downstroke, and then on the upstroke, I'm muting. So try this. Down, mute, down, mute, down. Now we're squeezing and then we're releasing. Try to not squeeze so hard. It's just a very light touch. See if you can focus more on the moment that you're muting where the hand is totally relaxed. When you pick this up in tempo, all right, it creates a nice contrast. When it's really fast, all right, it is a cool sound. It's a muted shuffle strum. Just one more time, gotta say, important to focus on the relaxed feeling in your hand when you're muted. See about making that touch as light as possible. The third strumming trick also uses up strums and muted strings. It's a little drum fill effect that I like to put in at the end of a section. I used it at the end of the bridge. Let me demonstrate it for you, and then I'll break down exactly how to play it. From the end of the bridge, can't buy me love. No, 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 no. It's just a quick little succession of 3 up strums on the G7 chord, muting them so they're really crisp, and then up on the C7 chord. Let's practice this slowly, starting on the E minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Can't buy me love. D minor. No, 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 no. So what's happening there is when we get to the G7 chord, my hand moves through the strings, but I'm not strumming. I play up and shut the sound off, up, shut the sound off, up, mute and shut the sound off, then switch to C7 and up. Those upbeat strums, especially at faster tempos, really add a cool rhythmic effect. Let's try from the D minor chord. We'll drill it so we can practice it together. And by the way, if you have any questions about anything, please leave a comment down below. I appreciate you watching all the way to the end. Thanks for hanging. D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, no, no. No, up, up, up. Say you don't need no diamond rings. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, no, no. No. Okay, cool. So when you're muting, just shut the sound off. The G string will keep on ringing. That's totally cool. I hope that you enjoy adding these 3 strumming tricks to your playing. Thanks for hanging and jamming. Hope that you'll share this video with someone that you know loves ukulele music and the Beatles. Click the links down below if you'd like to learn the guitar solo, and I look forward to seeing you in another lesson sometime soon. Wishing you and your family good health, all blessings. Keep on jamming.